In this video, you'll learn how to sell an NFT using the Phantom wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully list your NFT for sale on a marketplace like Magic Eden, allowing potential buyers to purchase your digital asset. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to an NFT marketplace such as Magic Eden. Once the home page loads, you will notice various options and categories available for browsing NFTs. This is where you will start the process of selling your NFT. Next, locate and click on the button labeled Connect Wallet. This button is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Once you click this, a pop-up window will appear displaying different wallet options available for connection. From the list of wallets, select Phantom Wallet. After selecting it, a prompt will appear asking you to approve the connection request. This step is essential as it allows the marketplace to interact with your Phantom wallet for transactions. Once you approve the connection in your Phantom wallet, return to the NFT marketplace. Now, look for the section labeled My Items or My NFTs. This section houses all the NFTs associated with your wallet, making it easy to find the one you want to sell. Select the NFT you wish to sell from your list of items. After clicking on the desired NFT, you will be directed to its individual page, which contains detailed information about the asset. Here, you will find various options related to the NFT, including the ability to list it for sale. Click on the button that says List for Sale. This action will prompt you to enter the price you want set for your NFT and SOL. Ensure that you consider the market trends and set a competitive price to attract potential buyers. After entering your desired price, confirm the listing in your Phantom wallet. This confirmation step is important as it finalizes the sale process. Once confirmed, your NFT will be listed on the marketplace and you will receive a notification indicating the successful listing. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.